Alright, pass. In this tutorial we're gonna take a look on how to apply effects on the layers. So basically I have just dropped in that old logo in a composition, and let's say if you want to apply some effect on this, so you can simply go to the effects and choose whatever effect you want to apply in this layer. Make sure you have selected the layer. If you haven't selected layer, you won't be able to pick up an effect. Select the layer you want to put in effect, and then go to the effects and choose whatever you want. Let's say if I want to apply a blur, then I'll choose blur and sharpen and go to the box blur, for example. Then I can increase the blur radius. You can play with the any effect setting in this effects and controls panel, and let's say if I want to increase the blur radius and I want to animate it, then I will do this by keyframing it. We'll move to the keyframe forwards and then decrease the radius, and it will create a basic blur transition here. Let's say, and to reveal the keyframes, I will hit the U on keyboard, and maybe I will move this keyframe a bit in left. Let's say now it's a nice transition of the logo. Well, there are several ways to apply effects on the layer. You can simply hit delete by selecting this effect in the effects and control layer, and you also can go to the effects and presets panel on the right of your After Effects interface. If you don't have this effects and presets panel, you can go to the Windows and select it from here, as we have seen in tutorial first or second tutorial. You can choose the blur and sharpen and go to the box blur again, or you can just simply type in here to search whatever effect you are looking for. I'll type in blur, and that will simply list out all the effects which contains blur, and then you can simply pick up any effect and drop in either here or over the layer. Both will work same, as you can see. No matter where you drop, it will apply on the layer. If you have multiple layer, then you have to take care about, and you have to drop it either here or in the appropriate layer. So I recommend pick up and apply on the layer wherever you want. In some case, you can't apply the effect directly on the layer. For example, if I wanna generate a lens flare over the scene, then if I will go to effect and generate a lens flare, let's say lens flare, then it won't work. You won't be able to see any lens flare here. Even if you center it, you won't be able to see. Let's say if I increase the brightness, it's just affecting the logo and not able to generate the lens flare. In such case, you need to create another layer. I'll create a new solid and keep it black, and if I generate the lens flare, as you can see, the lens flare is generated now, and I can hit add, and now we are able to situate the lens flare here. So we will take look on that on how to apply particular effect on the layers a little bit later, but that's it for the basics. See you in the next tutorial.